Hey you guys, and welcome to another video. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be showing you guys how I how I straightened this curly hair that I got from DivasWigs. They so kindly sent me this hair. And yeah, so I just wanted to go ahead and demonstrate the way that I straightened the hair. So honestly, you guys, I'm not the best with the flat iron, especially when it comes to curly hair. So I wanted to try something a little different. So I ended up using a heat brush. Yeah, and it actually turned out really good. I mean, I think with a flat iron you can get you can be a little bit more precise, but it actually turned out really good, and the hair straightened very easily. You'll see, like, as I'm just like straightening the hair with this brush, it was actually very easy, very low maintenance. I will say that the ends can be a little bit of a problem just because you can't really hold on to them or push them as far into the bristles of the brush. So it would probably be best to go over the ends with a flat iron, which should be easy enough. I didn't do that in this video, but yeah, so the hair was like really easy to straighten. I really liked that. I was really happy with how easy this hair was to straighten, especially with this brush. Like, everything was just so good. Like, it was very easy. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it as far as like straightening the hair goes. That's pretty much all I did. I just straightened the hair, or I sectioned the hair off in different sections, and then I would just straighten them. I experimented a little bit. There would be some parts where I took smaller sections, and then there would be some parts where I took bigger sections just to see what the brush could do with this curly hair. Let me see if I can get some details on this hair for you guys so we can see exactly what we're working with. Again, this is some hair from DivasWigs.com. I was super excited when they contacted me because I love DivasWigs. Like, I've seen a few different reviews for them, and I love the wigs that I've seen people have of them. Like, they're super cute, and they have so many different styles on their website. So the wig that I have is their Jessica White inspired Brazilian virgin human hair curly full lace wig. Okay, so I have 22 inches. It is a silky texture. The hair color is a natural black. The density is 150% medium. It has a pre-plucked hairline, and the lace color is medium brown. The cap construction is glueless, full lace cap, and the cap size that I have is average. And also, just so you guys know, you can get 10% off of any full price products using my code Kenise. Yeah, so I'm really excited about that. Oh my gosh, I got a discount code for you guys. Get your 10% off. If you want back to school hair, now is a good time. Get you a DivasWigs wig with the code Kenise. But yeah, toward the end of the video you will see how the hair looked as it was completely straight, and then I went to work directly after I finished filming this video, so I worked straight for a little bit, and then I kind of wanted it curly because I just wanted to see like how it looked. So when I was on my break, I did go into the bathroom and I wet the hair just using my hand. I didn't like fully put the hair under water or anything. I just used my hand and wet it under the sink and ran my hands through the hair just to see if the hair would go back to its original curl pattern. And there will be a picture at the end of the video showing how the hair looked after it just finished drying a little bit. It was still kind of wet, but basically after I wet it, and that is basically like how the hair looked. It went back to being curly. Yeah, like it looked really good, and it pretty much was the same curl pattern, I would say, too. The curls were maybe a little bit looser, like they were a little bit more of like a wavy type of curl instead of like a curl or like a kinky curl, which this isn't kinky curly at all anyway. So yeah, but it was really nice, and I was really happy with it. I do plan on dyeing this hair orange just because I think it'd be really cute to have like some orange curly hair. I think it's like a good summer to fall transition type of color, like an orange, and I'm really excited to do that. So I will do a video on that. I don't know if I'm going to record the dyeing process just because I have a whole video on me dyeing orange hair already. Like, it would pretty much be the same thing. Let me know if you guys want me to record that part because I'm not sure. Just let me know. But yeah, so far I've had this hair for about like a week, maybe 2 weeks, and the hair has been really, really good, and I'm just ready to dye it and get it really, really nice looking. So, or you know, a little bit more of my style. But anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it. I just, you'll see that I just put a little bit of makeup inside of the part, and then that's all I really did. I didn't do any plucking, any cutting, layering, anything to the wig. All I did was straighten the wig, and I went. I did glue this wig down to my head though, so that is why I guess the baby hairs looked a little bit like I did something to them. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you guys check out DivasWigs.com, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.